Wanna know how to access travel guides in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. Simply open up your web browser and type in agoda.com and you should be provided with this interface or this window right here. Now, accessing travel guide is super simple. You don't even need to log in. Logging in is optional in this case. So right here, you should be seeing the upper navigation bar with hotels and homes, transports and much more. And right beside apartments, you should be seeing these three dotted lines. Just simply select it. And here you should be seeing travel guides right below eSIM. Just simply select travel guides right here. And now once you have selected travel guides here, you should be directed to travel guides. You can just simply accept the cookies and you can search up for city and city guides on where to go, what to do and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also see popular destinations and you can also search it by yourself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and continue this for more of these videos. See you in the next one.